The Worx WG733E cordless lawnmower is a small and lightweight mower ideal for small to medium-sized gardens. It's powered by a single 4 amp hour PowerShare battery, which you can use with all your other PowerShare tools. And with a 33 cm cutting blade, this mower is capable of cutting up to 300 square meters on a single battery charge. All collected in a lightweight 35-litre collection bag, easy to carry, perfect for the smaller garden. The mower has a powerful brushless motor, which means more power and longer runtime for the battery. Worx's cut-to-edge technology allows the mower to cut right up to the lawn edge, reducing the time needed to manually trim those edges later. You can adjust the cutting height of the mower to one of 6 variable cutting heights, perfect for all seasons. And the Auto IntelliCut technology will adjust the power according to the grass conditions, keeping the mower working quietly and efficiently. To assemble the mower, first position the 2 mower arms on either side of the mower body and push onto the screws. Place a washer over the protruding screw and secure with the orange locking knobs. Insert the 2 fixing screws and partially insert into the holes at the top of the mower arms, as shown. Now take the upper section of the mower arm and with the orange safety bar pointing upwards, prise the arms apart so that you can push the 2 screws through the holes at the bottom of the upper section. Once again, place a washer over the protruding screws and secure with the orange locking knobs. Do this for both sides and tighten up. Take the black cable clip and push gently onto the mower arm, inserting the power cable into the clip to keep it tidy. Remove the tape over the grass bag indicator flap. The bag handle has a narrow and a wider end, corresponding to the seating points on the bag. Starting with the narrow end, push the handle into the seating points. Now take the 2 black screws and secure the handle to the bag with a screwdriver. Lift the safety flap and lower the collection bag onto the mower body. Now insert a freshly charged PowerShare battery into the battery compartment and you're ready to go. Using the adjustment lever, adjust the mower cutting height and click into place. To start the mower, press the orange safety button down and then push down on the orange safety bar. The mower will stop when you release the orange bar. Emptying the collection bag is easy. Lift the safety flap up, grab the handle and pull the collection bag off the mower body. Place back into position once emptied. When finished, you have the option to untighten the orange locking knobs and fold over the upper section of the mower arms. Use the carrying handle to carry the mower back into storage. The Worx WG733E is a compact and lightweight lawnmower, ideal for small to medium-sized gardens. Highly manoeuvrable, it's easy to use, easy to carry and easy to store with its foldable handle. It uses a 4 amp hour PowerShare battery and with its 33 cm cutting blade is capable of mowing up to 300 square meters on a single charge, using a highly efficient brushless motor. This is the ideal choice for small gardens or anyone looking for a compact, easy to store lawnmower. The Worx WG733E is powered by 2 2 amp hour batteries and has a 34 cm cutting blade, enabling it to mow up to 230 square meters on one charge. There's an integrated roller for those looking for an accentuated stripe finish. This is another compact and lightweight lawnmower ideal for small to medium-sized gardens. For those looking for a more significant step up, the Worx WG737E is an award-winning lawnmower with a 37 cm cutting blade and powered by 2 4 amp hour PowerShare batteries, enabling it to mow up to 550 square meters of lawn on a single charge. It has foldable and extendable arms, a 40-litre bag capacity and the option of collecting or mulching the grass as you go. This mower has all the technological features you expect from Worx and is ideal for the larger size garden, but still remaining in a light and compact form. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.